Okay guys, so this is the finished product of cutting that log up. They will be turned into 1x6s to 1x9s. But we had to go ahead and cut them because they started bluing, which is a natural rot that the tree does. And this is the other part of the tree. One other part of the tree. And it'll be cut up the same way. As you can see, the bluing in it, that is the natural rot process of a tree. So yeah, we need to get them cut up and drying so they don't finish rotting. Okay guys, so this is the bottom part of that same tree. We still got to cut up. Let's see if I can get you it goes into those trees right there. But it hasn't started the bluing, I don't believe. I'm not sure. But that's one that needs to be cut up and made into wood. Let's see. Try not to make y'all dizzy. This one needs to be made into wood. And these over here are going to be made into wood. So we've got a winter project. Do it when we can. So yeah, that's just some of the trees we've got to cut up.